Hey guys, today I'm working with an Amana washer and electric dryer matching set. Right now I've got this guy filled up. We're doing a normal load. Pretty heavy jeans and towel. Got it set to super over here. And here, I'll just push this in with my pinky. Oh, yeah, there we go. Oh, you can see it's agitating really good there. The agitator's only supposed to move in one direction, just like it is. It's doing a real good job there, so we'll shut that. And what I'll show you is that it is, in fact, working correctly. The washer gets a 28-point inspection. The dryer gets a 22-point inspection. Everything electrical, mechanical, it all gets checked, and everything has to work perfectly before it gets listed up for sale or before it leaves my care. So I'm going to show you that the water drains out, and then it's got a nice fast spin cycle on the final spin. So we'll come back for the draining, and then we'll move on to the spin cycle. Alright, moving out of the wash cycle now into the rinse cycle. You can hear it draining the water out. Nice and fast there. And then from here, it's in neutral mode, simply draining right now. Then it'll go over to spin, fill back up, rinse with clean water, and then we'll be on to the final spin, which is what we'll come back for. Alright, once again draining the water out, moving into the final spin, you can see there. I'll go ahead and let it get up to full speed after it drains this water out. Alright, we're at full speed on the spin cycle. You can see it's nice and smooth. It sounds great. And I'll go ahead and lift the lid up and show you that it is in fact spinning nice and fast. Lid switch works, and we'll shut it down. There you go. Close that up, let this finish up, and we'll move over to the dryer. Alright, now we are on to the electric dryer, and as you can hear, I've got it running with those clothes in there. We got it going on time dry, which is your high heat setting. Wrinkle prevent on. You've got a few different options there. Super capacity plus on both of these guys, so they'll handle a pretty large load. And I'm going to show you that it is in fact heating like it's supposed to be. So right in between our two red dots there, you can see it's taking a surface temperature measurement. Kind of difference there between whatever you shine it on. So we'll go ahead and open this up. Shine it right inside the heating element tube there. You can see there's plenty of heat coming out of that tube. Now, the heating element is located behind this panel here. Comes up out of this tube, which heats the inside of your dryer anywhere from 95 up to 195 degrees to get those clothes nice and dry. And that just depends on what you have your heat setting at. Because you also have a setting here for delicates. If you didn't want that high of heat, if you had something delicate you were trying to dry, you've got an air fluff and then automatic. So you can just set it on automatic, high heat, let it do its thing. Either way you go, this guy is set up, ready to rock. So now you know both units work perfectly. We'll go ahead and get them listed up for sale. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out. And I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Thanks, and have a great day.